safety is a very important issue in general, but especially when it comes to machines. Therefore, I asked myself, what safety features the eurolaser systems have? Let's switch over to Björn.
We have a very complex safety concept in our machines, in which we take care of all the possible hazards for the operator. I can show you some of the features. The first one is we have light barriers which are monitoring the working area. Another set of light barriers we have mounted in front of the laser beam path, so no one is able to reach the laser beam directly and get hurt by it. I can show you. This is the light barrier for the working area. And as you can see, if something is in the way, the machine will stop immediately to protect the operator. To keep any possible reflections away from the environment, we have this shielding mounted on the exit point of the laser beam, so there's no possible reflection outside the machine. If something serious happens in the machine, we have emergency stop buttons on several positions on the machine to stop every process. If you can't reach the stop button at the keyboard, we can have this remote pause button where you can stop the machine when you're not directly at the machine. If our concept is not enough for a customer, we can offer an optional concept like a light curtain system around the machine or a complete enclosure on request.
Thank you so much, Björn, and you better make sure to stay safe.